Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women, stylish footwear collection, women stylish flat pumps designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish pumps designs. Beautiful flat pumps designs, stylish shapes, stylish pointed toe pumps designs, round toe pumps designs, beautiful designer ideas you can see in this my video. With strappy and without strappy pumps designs for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of pumps. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy, one another beautiful top designer ideas. Top 50 designs and ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. If you want to buy this very beautiful pumps design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ebiva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful pumps online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. You can wear these very beautiful pumps in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the